Halo ke jingjia ka belajar menin ke Singapore Mahadevkhola ka badi ke jingmane blei nak kaliang jong ki Pulit ki laong ba kamli setia ke jingjia ban puklomar ke jingmane blei jong no hendrai ke di ka kam banyak puklomar nak mata banyak tu yo tim nak tai ke dukan ber komjuru ke di ka kam banyak syok ya dat yakni letu do ba Sylvester Notnger SP jong ke East Castle District ke jakaran bikira patai khobor mata ka sni ba selu letu balakam sangut ikibri ke bang ti ke jingjia bar ka jing toket kadang ya nak kaliang SPCT uba VVX im ulo ang ba kam dan jing snow ai ba ka jing mane blain kat kom ka jing toket ka jong ki yakini ke syakam.
One person came to Mahadevkhola and he asked for this Amul cold drink from a shopkeeper there, and he says that he didn't have money and he says that he will pay later. Then however the shopkeeper she refused to give him because he is not having money. Then at the time there was a scuffle with her. Then immediately son of this lady came to rescue her, and there was a scuffle between the two. Then this boy ran away. Then after half an hour or so, he came back with 4 boys. So then when they came there, then they had scuffling this and that, and they have entered that mandir also. So they have assaulted this lady and that son. Then after that they run away to the destination where they had gone. Then after that incidents, the police came to know. Then immediately the officers from Chalupara post rushed to the spot, and of course senior officers including SPCT also has gone to the spot to take stock of this situation. Then after we have identified the footage from the camera and so on, so we have identified the culprits who were involved in this incident. So last night the East Castle Police immediately swung into action. The whole night done operation. Then we have arrested 3 persons and apprehended 2 juvenile boys. So then after receiving FIR, a case has been registered in Building 3. Case number is 9107-2023 under section 323/447/394 and 34 IPC. So this 3 will be produced today in the court, and of course this 2 juvenile will be dealt as per the JGP Act. And the interrogation will be done properly. For all these 3 boys, and action will be taken as per the law. So this also can be the case.
Vivek, would like to add?
Thanks, sir. With regard to the incident yesterday, in fact we had seen in social media reports and also certain news channels that because it happened in the temple premises, so communal color was given to it. I'd like to just assert out here that from our preliminary investigation, in fact it's a very nascent stage. It actually happened to be an assault out there resulting from robbery and trying to snatch things from there, and it was assault arising out of the altercation which they had, and had nothing to do with any religious fervor or religious hostility or animosity with the temple. So it is one-off case where actually it has nothing to do with any religious affiliation. That is one thing, but investigation, that's why we have asked for further 5 days police custody to ascertain all the facts of the matter, so that we come to a proper conclusion of the case. And in fact we had also seen that one of the accused had an implement which he used, so we need to recover that. They also, in the FIR, there is also snatching of money and mobile phones of the complainants. So we need to recover that, for which we have asked for police custody.